This video will focus on the distance sensor and the block that comes with it. The distance sensor has two speaker-like objects on the front, which are used to emit a high-frequency note. It uses this sound to detect the vibrations of objects out in front of it, which bounce vibrations from the note back to the sensor. The faster the vibrations bounce back, the closer the object is. This is similar to how bats use echolocation to navigate at night. The distance sensor is an input device, so the only block in its menu is used to begin gathering data from the sensor. The one block in the distance sensor menu is the Get Ultrasonic Distance block. This block turns on the ultrasonic sensor and activates it. The distance sensor then turns on, using its sonar to detect vibrations, and determines how close it is to other objects. You have a few different options in regards to the data collected. You can get the data in two different formats: inches and centimeters, which gives you a number based on the distance, or flight time, which gives you a number based on the amount of time it takes to send out and receive a signal. You can then use these two different measurements later on in your plan. To see how the sensor works, let's grab a Get Ultrasonic Distance block. Then, from the Logging menu, grab a Display Value block. Connect the two blocks, and then link the inches pin from the distance sensor block to the value pin on the display value block. Loop the display value block back to the distance block. This way, you will continuously gather distance data, as opposed to only getting one reading. Launch the code. If you keep looking at the screen, you will notice that the display value block is now showing a number. This number is the distance in inches between the front of the distance sensor and some object. If you place your hand in front of the sensor, the number will drop down, indicating that there is less space between the sensor and an object. You can also try this with the other two distance types, centimeters and flight time. That was the complete rundown of the distance sensor smartware and the block that comes with it. Hopefully now you can confidently use the distance sensor in your plans.